And here we are, Clive's got one on, Felix is on the net. Nearly in the puddle.
Oh, look at it.
Ooh, it is, it's a big one.
Bit of bite.
Yeah, bit of bait.
No, he's not ready yet for it. What is, that's not common carp, is it? Yeah.
Are you videoing?
No.
Are you ready
then, Felix?
Yeah.
No, try and scoop at him. That's it. Go lift it up.
That's it.
Well,
right, don't try and lift it. Don't try and lift it.
Look.
Right, here we go. Gives you rod, and then we'll get that out of the equation. Nope, we're all hooked up.
It's good morning's work for you boys, isn't it?
It's tiring, isn't it?
There's too many.
That's a really nice one, isn't it?
Look. Hook came out, it's done on me hook, bent me hook.
Yeah.
Hook bend.
That's a big one.
Lively little critter. Photo, Dad.
Yeah.
Some kissing.
Watch out. Well done, Clive.